everyone, and welcome to Little Wiggles. I'm Miss Amanda, and today we will be traveling to one of my favorite places, the zoo. So when I go to the zoo, one of my favorite animals to see are the giraffes, and I also love to see the elephants, and we'll be talking a little bit about those later as part of our story. But what are your favorite animals when you go to the zoo? Are they the zebras, maybe the polar bears? So you'll have to listen very closely today and see if we talk about your favorite animal. So we'll begin today with Hello Friends. If you're joining us for the first time, we always start our story times with this song, and you can help sing and sign along with me. It goes like this. So we'll start with a salute for hello, and then we'll alternate our fingers for friends. And we do this 3 times. So hello, friends. Hello, friends. And then we point to our watch. It's time to say, point to your chin twice, and then another salute, hello. So it goes like this. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. Hello, friends. It's time to say hello. So welcome. We're going to start today with a song that sings about a lot of different animals, and I will need your help for this one as well. So one of the animals that we're going to talk about are the lions, and when you hear about the lions, you're going to want to swipe your paw downwards. So when the lions roar as part of the song, we'll just swipe our paw. And then when we hear about the tigers, we're going to just do a sideways swipe. So the tigers are going to growl, and we'll sideways swipe. And then when we hear about the snakes are going to slither and hiss. So we'll put our hands together, and we're going to slither on by just like that. And then when we hear the kangaroos love to hop around. They don't really walk. So what we're going to do is we're going to hop, and we'll take our hand, and we're just going to go hop, 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 just like that. Hop, hop, hop. And then another animal that we'll hear about are the penguins. And penguins walk kind of funny too. So we're going to just do like a little waddle, just like this. Waddle, 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 waddle. And then second to last, we have our wolves. And wolves love to howl, just like our dogs at home, right? So we're going to howl up at the moon, just like that. And then our final animal is the sea lion. So the seals have little flippers. So we'll clap our hands together when the seals bark. All right, so it goes like this. The lions at the zoo go roar, 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 roar. The lions at the zoo go roar, 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 all through the zoo. The tigers at the zoo go growl, 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 growl. The tigers at the zoo go growl, 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 all through the zoo. The snakes at the zoo, you ready? Go hiss, 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 hiss. The snakes at the zoo go hiss, 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 all through the zoo. The kangaroos at the zoo go hop, 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 hop. The kangaroos at the zoo go hop, 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 all through the zoo. The penguins at the zoo go waddle, 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 waddle. The penguins at the zoo go waddle, 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 all through the zoo. The wolves at the zoo go howl, 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 howl. The wolves at the zoo go howl, 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 all through the zoo. And then our last one, the seals at the zoo go bark, 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 bark. The seals at the zoo go bark, 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 all through the zoo. And that's our song. So today's story is a really great one. It's I Love My Mama by Peter Kavanaugh, courtesy of Simon & Schuster. The pale sun rises through the morning mist. I love my mama on days like this. When storm winds blow, we shelter together. Nothing can harm us while we have each other. Later we chase across hot, dusty plains, stomping and stamping and playing new games. When the bright sun rises, hotter and higher, we stride along by the cool, fast river. The water is clean and we're covered in dust. We jump in together and let it wash over us. We dip and dive, splash and splish. Fun like this is all we could wish. We walk in the grass to dry in the sun. We sing together in trumpeting fun. Sometimes we laugh for no reason at all, comparing our trunks, one big and one small. We gaze at the birds flying into the night, and the stars in the sky all twinkly and bright. And when we lie in the soft, dewy grass, you tell me elephant tales from the past. Last thing at night, we curl in a hug, safe and happy, cozy and snug. And we sink into sleep and dream of new days. My mama's love surrounds me always. And that's our story. So you can request this one for curbside pickup, as with all of our Storytime stories. And our next activity, I am going to need some help with as well. So if you would like to grab your shaker egg, I have mine right here, ready to go. And this one involves 5 monkeys. So this is a really fun tale. I love this one. Okay, so I have our tree here. Okay, so our 5 monkeys are going to be teasing this alligator, and the alligator is going to come by and snatch up one of the monkeys each time we sing the song. And when we hear the word snatch, what we're going to do is take our shaker egg and we're going to shake it for snatch. All right, so if you want to do that with me, I will let you know when that one's coming up for the first round, and we can do it each round together. So it goes like this. And we'll count our monkeys first before we get started. I have 5 monkeys here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So show me your 5 monkeys. All right, so it goes like this. 5 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator. Can't catch me. Along came the alligator, as quiet as can be. And ready with that egg? Snatch that monkey right out of the tree. All right, so we'll take one of our monkeys down. And now how many monkeys do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 monkeys. So the next one goes like this. 4 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator. Can't catch me. Along came the alligator, as quiet as can be. And ready with that egg? Snatch that monkey right out of the tree. So we'll take our next monkey off the tree. And how many do we have now? Let's count them together. We have 1, 2, 3 monkeys. All right. So 3 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator. Can't catch me. Along came the alligator, as quiet as can be, and snatched that monkey right out of the tree. So take one more down. And now let's count these monkeys together. 1, 2. 2 little monkeys sitting in a tree, teasing Mr. Alligator. Can't catch me. Along came the alligator, as quiet as can be, and snatched that monkey right out of the tree. So we'll take one more down. Now we have 1 monkey left. All right, 1 little monkey sitting in the tree, teasing Mr. Alligator. Can't catch me. Along came the alligator, as quiet as can be, and snatched that monkey right out of the tree. All right, so we'll take him down, and that's our story. So we'll close our story time today with Goodbye Friends, and you can help me with this one as well. We're going to learn some of the sign language if you're just joining us for the first time. And all we're going to do is swap our hello for goodbye. And goodbye is just simply a wave. So we'll do goodbye and then friends, and we do this 3 times. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. And then we'll point to our watch again. It's time, and then our chin, to say, and then goodbye. So we'll sing it together. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. It's time to say goodbye. So thank you so much for joining me on our travels to the zoo. I hope you have a wonderful week.